In this video we are going to demonstrate how to create dimensions inside TBC version 350. Here is a tutorial dataset on processing feature codes where we have some points, lines and polygons. So we want to put some linear and angular dimensions on those lines. To do that, we're going to launch the create linear dimension command. And notice one of the things you need to select, similarly as in the labeling, is a dimension style. In this case, TBC comes with a standard dimension style. If you want to create your own TBC dimension style, you can just hit new style and create your own my style. And in your style you can define things like lines and arrows, text, units, architectural versus engineering, as well as the placement of that dimension. So next step is pretty simple. You just need to either select 2 points between which you want to create a dimension, or select an existing line or arc segment. So in this case, if I choose 2 points, notice that it creates that dimension right there. So if I pick 2 points at an angle like this, you notice that automatically TBC offers the best placement and orientation for that dimension based on the style that we were providing. You can also choose an existing line or segment. So like in this case, you can choose an arc here or an arc here. So maybe the text was too big. We should probably go with a smaller size text, so we can simply go edit the text style that we were using here, so going from 20 maybe to 10, and again select the arc, and now you can see things fit a little bit better. Probably need to play a little bit more with the arrows. Similarly to linear dimensions, you can create angular dimensions. So you can select 2 line segments or an existing arc segment. So in this case, this was an arc segment. You can simply select an arc segment and you can see how the angular value here is displayed. Once you're done creating your dimensions, you can export them to CAD. You can select them and say edit, which will open edit dimensions command, and now you can decide to modify this dimension. You can add a custom text to it or do different modifications. That concludes the video on how to create dimensions inside TBC version 350.